Say hi to Lila. Oh, first night in Moab. North of Moab, I guess. Took a couple hours to find a spot. I found several spots. But this one just happened to be the best. 5G service at 5 bars, 4G service about 4 bars most of the time. Every once in a while it'll drop for some reason. But that's on T-Mobile, works good. No neighbors to speak of. The other good spots I found, they were nice locations, and you didn't have close neighbors or anything, but I mean, you'd have neighbors 100 yards away. Down here, the closest one's probably quarter mile. I don't know if you can see them right there. That's a travel trailer. Then there's a fifth wheel, probably, I don't know, half mile or so right up in there. Nice dirt road coming off the highway. Quiet up here, can't hear the road noise or anything. If I had to guess, I'm probably 1.5 miles off the highway. Beautiful view of the mountains, snow-capped. Red Rock's over here. Arches is that way. Tomorrow, I'm planning on camping in the same spot tomorrow as well. I'm also going to hit Arches up tomorrow a little bit. Probably go first thing in the morning, or fairly early in the morning to Arches. That way I can get back here and get the spot again before somebody else does. The next morning, Friday, plan on getting up before the sun comes up and doing a hike out at Arches to see the sunrise. But that's all tentative. We'll see how that works. Well, I got the GoPro set up on a tripod right there. Catch the sunset. So yeah, you can see the sun, can't you? There's truck and camper. Delilah took off, but she came back finally. So while the sun's going down, we put my chairs up, get ready for dinner. Say hi to Delilah. Sun's going down. Looks better on camera than it does in person. But the cool thing is these snow-capped mountains. Let's see if the camera picks it up. Oh, the camera's picking it up pretty good. They're very, very pink in person right now. They're pretty gorgeous. See what the red rocks look like. Oh, that's showing up pretty good. So far the weather's been pretty nice during the day. Right now I have my hood on my jacket because it's windy and it's blowing from the back. So it's probably about the worst day for weather so far. But normally during the day, I mean, it's like jeans and a t-shirt. Today I definitely went on a jacket just because of the wind, or it's at least windy here. I'm up on top of a knoll though. Got a little bit of windbreak on this side. Actually a pretty good windbreak on that side. That's why I like this camping spot so much. It's the weekend, so I think what I'm going to end up doing is doing most of my work on the weekends. That's when most of the people are going to be out visiting the parks and stuff, which means they're going to be busier. So I went to Arches on Thursday and Friday morning, and it wasn't busy at all. But I've definitely seen a lot more traffic on this road today than I did Wednesday and Thursday. For sure, I've probably seen those 2 days. I didn't see one. I might have seen one vehicle on the road, and so far this morning I've been sitting down here for an hour, and I've probably seen at least 8 or 10 drive down the road, as well as people on like mountain bikes and running and stuff. So I think I'm just going to call this home for today and tomorrow probably, and get a bunch of work out on the computer like I need to do anyway. And then I'll save the exploring for during the week, and I'll probably end up still having to work a little bit during the week, but oh well, that's just life. But for the moment, Delilah keeps going to sleep. About done with coffee, so I want to get up and get around.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these